Three individuals lost their lives in the aftermath of 7.1 magnitude earthquake that struck mountains in a remote region of China's far western Xinjiang. State broadcaster CCTV reported an additional 5 injuries and evacuation of 12,426 people from affected areas. The earthquake hit Wuxi Country, was also known as Uraturpan Country, in the Astro Prefecture near the Kyrgyzstan border, shortly after 2 a.m. local time, as per the state-run news agency Xinhua. Strong tremors led to the collapse of 2 houses and the downing of 2 major power lines near the epicenter. However, electricity was promptly restored and tremors were felt in Central Asian countries hundreds of miles away. Rescue missions are underway in cold weather conditions, with the temperatures expected to reach minus 23 degrees Celsius in Wuxi Country in the coming days, according to the China Meteorological Agency. The Xinjiang Railway authorities swiftly settled all roads in affected areas, suspended 27 trains, as reported by Xinhua. Three individuals were hospitalized in a township located 26 kilometers from the epicenter, and a child was rescued from the rubble in the house in the township, according to the state broadcaster. Nearly 200 rescue workers have been deployed to the quake zone, with 100 small band assembled, Xinhua reported. As of 11 a.m., more than 15 aftershocks about magnitude 3 were reported by the state-run China Earthquake Network Center. The earthquake epicenter is situated in remote mountains and is partly populated area and altitude about 3,000 meters, according to the CCTV. 5 villages are located within a 20-kilometer radius of epicenter, approximately 15 kilometers of Wuxi County's main urban area, as per Xinhua. Wuxi Country, with a population of 2,500 kilometers, according to China latest census in 2020, experienced heavy tremor, fell in the city hundreds of miles away, including Kashar and Hatay. Video posted by Xinhua residents and China's social media depicted swiftly crashing onto the floor, and crowds taking shelter outside in the streets, dropping in winter jackets and blankets, and the overnight temperatures dropped as low as 10 degrees Celsius. The tremor also reached across the border in Kyrgyzstan, according to the United States Geological Service. In Kazakhstan, at least 44 people were injured in Almaty, the country's largest city, following the quake. The earthquake was felt as far away as Uzbekistan, Reuters reported. Notably, the affected region in southwestern and western Xinjiang are primarily inhabited by Uyghurs, a predominantly Muslim ethnic minority that has been subject to comprehensive Chinese government crackdown in recent years, and occupies in mass detention and the streets, restriction and religion and cultural life. A United Nations report in the past accused China of committing serious human rights violation against Uyghurs, potentially amounting the crimes against the humanity. Allegation that Benja vehemently denies. In December, a powerful earthquake claimed 151 lives in provinces of Kanshan and Xinjiang in northwestern China, making the deadliest quake in the country of 9 years.